A lady just cry out say her husband don pregnate her girlfriend. Really? So, hello beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time coming to my channel, please consider to press that red button that says subscribe in case you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, and also press the notification bell so you will be the first somebody to be notified anytime I upload a new video here in this channel. Anytime I just upload a new video here, you will be the first somebody to get the alert. The alert will just flash to your telephone. So guys, my name is Emmanuel Judy. In case you haven't heard what I just said before, I said you all are welcome back to Emmanuel Judy YouTube channel. In case you haven't subscribed to this beautiful and handsome channel, so what are you still waiting for? Consider to press that red button down there below that says subscribe, and also press the notification bell so you will be the first somebody to get the notification alerts anytime I'll put a new video here in this channel. So my beautiful people, my lovely, a new video here in this YouTube channel. So guys, you all are welcome back to my channel. So guys, today today matter na about one of our Nigeria sister, maybe say e dey live for Europe. She say she dey live for Spain. Na Spain she for dey live. So my people, the reason why I say we come bring her matter here today, the reason why I say her bring her story here today, because she called me. She tell me say right now her husband don pregnate her own friend, which is her girlfriend. Her husband don pregnate her girlfriend. Her husband don give her best friend belle. He say she no know say her husband give her friend belle, because for those of us, most some women, for those of us maybe say we dey husband house, we need to be very very careful. Yes, for those of us maybe say we dey husband house, we need to careful, and we need to know who dey enter our house, who we go welcome into our house. And another thing for there be say, make we no dey throway our body, make we no dey throway ourselves, because we just get the same body, as in the same fresh, but we no really get the same mind. Because this lady now, she dey cry, because as I see her, she dey cry, and the thing dey touch me, the thing dey pain me. Really, this kind thing can happen to you? So right now, really, the man don give her best friend belle for Spain. Now they see, so my people, those men be say their body no dey stay one place. Their body dey different place, dey different corner. They no wan mellow down, they no wan know, they no wan stay one place. Now they see, and so my beautiful people, that is why I say I go bring this topic, I go bring this story to share with my friends, to share with my people, So you may dey watch me right now and you may be say you wan jam this video tomorrow. My beg, my bro, mostly the sisters ones, abeg make una dey know who and dey welcome to na family. You as a woman, you need to have your privacy. No be everybody you go just let am come in. That is my message to some sisters outside there. And make we not too dey throway body to our friends, or this one our best friends, this one and that, this one and that, because I can see, remember that time during inside last year, which is 2019, they come talk say that time say Regina Daniel bestie, which is Casino, they say na Casino be her name. When I read the story, they say na Casino be Regina Daniel best friend name. Say he tried to seduce Mr. Nate Nwoko, although say everybody knows say Mr. Nate Nwoko na husband to all nation. So this little girl may be say na Regina Daniel friend, which is Mr. Nate Nwoko's wife. So this man they come dey like to do together. Because of that one, they talk say the house girl for the house maybe say that they do house girl, that they do house help for Regina Daniels. So now those one catch the Casino and Mr. Nate Nwoko may come be say because of that, because say they can't catch them together, they do the thing right now. So they come pursue Casino comot for there. That was last year. Right now, this one no be Nigeria again. This one happen for Europe. I know say all those men, their eye no dey say one praise, their body no dey say one praise. They no fit take their body sit down for one chair for inside house. Mostly those men may be say they go get woman for inside, they'll still dey cheat on their women. So say this man come still know say this lady na his wife friend. He come still jogodora, he come still give am belle. Some men are really wicked. Some men are very bad. He can't jogodo his wife friend. He can't give am belle. He can't jogodora. He can't give am belle. Right now, the lady come talk say say she don't want to do abortion. She don't want to abort the child. So say the man no say this lady na family friends to them, and the lady too no say this man as he na her friend's husband. He can't still fall in love with the man. That is why I said that my advice to marriage women, say we need to dey careful. Marriage women, we need to dey careful. Any woman may be say e dey my house, abeg make una dey careful well. Because can you imagine, no be everybody you go accept for your home, whether your man like am or you no like am. My dear, na you be the woman of the house. So no be everybody you go welcome to your house. Can you imagine say your man, he can't go jogodo your friend na right now, he can't give am belle, he can't give your friend belle. This na somebody may be say you called your friend. And secondly, for there be say this so-called friends na big betrayer. Because I know they support people may be say they be betrayer, they be beautiful snake under the green grass. That lady na betrayer, na the lady be. The lady na big betrayer. Na betrayer you be, this lady. May can't be say you can't jogodo your friend's husband. You know say this lady na your friend husband. You know say this man no be your own. does it mean say you no come see another man for outside again? The lady no come see men for outside again. Now e come say na this is her friend's husband. Now you wan come jogodo with. E come say na you wan come jogodo with my people. So now drop your comment down there below. Tell me what you think, because right now this our sister, so she dey confused, she dey worried, she dey bothered, she no know wetin she go do again. She whether make she just bear am abi wetin she go do. Drop your comment down there below. But as for me, I for say make just kukuma stay there, still dey take care of the children. But you personally, drop your comment down there below. Wetin, just free drop your comment down there. Wetin you feel say make that lady do? So my beautiful people, my lovely people, happy Christmas to you all. So guys, for the now, I will stop this video right here. So for the now, choose for the now until I see you on my next video. In case you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider to press that red button that says subscribe, and also press the notification bell so you will be the first somebody to be notified anytime, any day I'll upload a new video here in this beautiful and lovely channel. So for the now, choose.